lives. Passion is a strong feeling of enthusiasm or excitement for something, about doing something, or devotion to some activity, object, or concept. It generates the enthusiasm needed to cultivate through the biggest obstacles and overcome the most intractable challenges. It inspires loyalty, teamwork, hard work, and eventually success. In fact, success is more than just following your passion. It is about making difference in your life and in the lives of the others. Passion not only drives you to enjoy your work, but helps in overcoming the obstacles in the workplace as well. Ladies and gentlemen, passion is an intangible component that explains as to why some people and teams are